Everything we hear is an opinion, not a fact. Everything we see is a perspective, not the truth. When you arise in the morning, think of what a precious privilege it is to be alive, to breathe, to think, to enjoy, to love. The happiness of your life depends upon the quality of your thoughts. You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength. It never ceases to amaze me, we all love ourselves more than other people, but care more about their opinions than our own. The opinion of 10,000 men is of no value if none of them know anything about the subject. The object of life is not to be on the side of the majority, but to escape finding oneself in the ranks of the insane. If you are distressed by anything external, the pain is not due to the thing itself, but to your estimate of it, and this you have the power to revoke at any moment. Whenever you are about to find fault with someone, ask yourself the following question: what fault of mine most nearly resembles the one I am about to criticize? Do not be wise in words, be wise in deeds. Why should we feel anger at the world? As if the world would notice? It is not death that a man should fear, but he should fear never beginning to live. Give yourself a gift, the present moment. Live a good life. If there are gods and they are just, then they will not care how devout you have been, but will welcome you based on the virtues you have lived by. If there are gods but unjust, then you should not want to worship them. If there are no gods, then you will be gone, but will have lived a noble life, that will live on in the memories of your loved ones. Dwell on the beauty of life. Watch the stars, and see yourself running with them. Life is short. Do not forget about the most important things in our life, living for other people, and doing good for them.